This residential estate on the outskirts of the Kenyan capital is one of the few housing developments promoting solar-powered homes in the country. All 400 units are fitted with locally made solar panels for water heating. Each solar unit costs about $800 to install. Avinda Gatara says his firm installs over 3,000 panels for clients every year.
The use of solar, with the developers are now, everyone is making sure that they install a solar system during the time of building. So this has worked to the advantage of solar contractors in Kenya, and which in turn means more business for us. But in the same time, that doesn't mean we start providing poor quality services. So as a company, we always ensure that we give you good service and good quality.
Residents say the panels have helped cut electricity costs by nearly half.
Basically, it's a very energy-saving product that we have, because we're able to have hot water throughout the day, depending on the usage, and also in the night. Yeah, so we don't have to put power on. We always have hot water whichever time you need during the day. And normally we're able to use the water for washing, for cleaning, and also for the bathrooms.
Kenya is heavily reliant on renewable energy sources. It is also one of the countries leading Africa's push towards solar energy use. Experts say fast-dropping costs of solar power, combined with plenty of sun and a huge need for cheaper electricity, holds huge economic potential. The country's Energy Regulatory Commission says property developers must now install solar water heaters in buildings where occupants use over 100 litres of hot water a day by May this year, following a regulation that came into force in 2012.
Solar energy is viable in Kenya. Kenya, lying on the equator, has some of the best solar installation in the globe. I think it's about 4.5 kilowatts per hour, so which is actually very good. And if the solar energy is well harnessed, it could actually help in stability of our grid, particularly when we have solar during the day.
But solar can have high upfront costs compared to traditional fuels, although experts argue that the technology creates benefits for years to come.
It's a little bit expensive for the equipment and all this. But if the government has a goodwill to subsidize, then they will see the benefit of the registration that they have passed.
Kenya also plans to launch a $150 million project this year to bring solar electricity to markets, schools, shops and homes in poor, off-grid areas without existing power access. Catherine Omwando, CGTN.